this video, I'm going to go over the width tool. And I've already made a curved stroke. And let's go over here to the stroke panel, which I went over in the previous video.
Down here you have the pressure window,
which you have various points. And you can make that skinnier on this side or wider. You have one in the middle. You can make more. I will delete that one, but just to show, so you can do that. But with the width tool, let's say you already have a drawing, you don't want to mess around with the stroke pressure. So you can go to the width tool, and you have various things you can do here. So if I click on this, you can do the same thing. Widen it like that. And with this, you can make the points directly on, see where the blue line is? The stroke itself. But to widen it, you click on the outside curve, like that. And you can make various points along the way. Say you wanted to delete one of the nodes in there. When you're in the width tool, all you have to do is click twice, and those will go away. If you want them back, just click on the stroke and you can get another node. Okay, so let's say you want to widen this without having to worry of it sliding along the path like that. So we're going to go down to the command controller. We're going to hit on shift, and now we can widen that, and it's locked in without having it slide. So that's a pretty nice feature. Okay, on this one I've changed the shape just a little bit, adding a little bit of wide points, but I wanted to show, if you come down here to the command controller, that you can move these along the stroke line without having to worry about the width changing. So it's kind of the opposite of the other one. So I'm going to do that by hitting Control, and we're going to slide that along here, and it's not going to change the width. For this next one, we're going to go up to the context toolbar, and we have 4 features up here for the width tool. The first one on the left is called lock line weight, and it goes by the biggest width of the stroke. So is where I have this one right here. So if you move any of these out that far, it's not going to go any further than where that width is. For the second one up here, it is lock point ordering. So say you have a number of them on here, but this, you can make it as wide as you want, but it's not going to go past either node here. And that's what that's for. Okay, on this next one is snap to curve nodes. And this just is for if maybe you want this down here, and it will actually snap to that node. You can go past it, but it'll snap to that node. Okay, with this next feature, you have snap to width on same curve. So it's similar to this one, where if you clicked on that and you brought these out, it's going to snap to the widest point on the curve. Fourth one over, it will snap to each one. Let's say you wanted this one snap to the same as this width, and it would snap to that width on this curve. Bring it all the way out. You can go all the way down, and it'll snap to the same as that. Also, I wanted to show, if you click on the stroke tool and you go down here to the pressure points, this window right here, you'll notice that all the nodes you have on here are also on here. So you can still make use of these points as well. It's all connected. All right, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.